Folks, it's so rare to find a boat that ticks all of the boxes. Whether you're a keen fisherman, you love cruising the harbour and entertaining with family and friends, or you love a weekend away, this is the most versatile vessel I could offer you. Introducing the Regal 38 SAV. Come with me, let's put this beauty through our paces. Just shy of 40 feet with a whopping 3.6 metre beam, the 38 SAV boasts an incredible amount of volume. Equipped with triple Yamaha 300s, you've got a total of 900 horsepower, achieving top speeds of 44 knots and an economic cruise speed of 28 knots. Externally, she looks the goods and has the lines of an offshore fishing boat combined with a full hardtop and semi-enclosed helm. She's an extremely dry boat and her design will allow you to get from harbour anchorage to the shelf fast, safe and reliably. Hitting the cockpit first, let's talk about the incredible amount of space back here. You've got this heavy duty wraparound swim platform with gated entry points either side of your outboards, as well as these heavy duty hull side doors for easy entry at the dock. For you fishers out there, you've got rod holders along the transom and consistently throughout the boat, as well as rocket launchers up above, pressurised fresh and raw water washdowns, Grand Slam outriggers, downriggers, and of course a live bait tank plus kill tanks both port and starboard. Aft you've got seating for 8 with a dining table insert for entertaining. Under your feet you've got a super soft yet durable easy foam flooring in a light grey complementing that beautiful graphite hull colour. Finally, for added sun protection you've got these beautiful big bow and stern sunshades. Moving forward, this is where all the entertaining takes place. Dubbed as Refreshment Island by Regal, you've got a full wet bar setup here, an electric grill, you've got your live bait tank over to port, and then a trash can there as well, tons of storage throughout, and 2 deep chest fridges. You can seriously picture how nice it'd be entertaining from up here while watching the crew fish without interrupting anyone's activities or getting in the way of your guests. Alright, let's hit the helm. This has to be one of the most functional helm stations I've seen on a boat of this size. As mentioned earlier, we've got a whopping 900 horses behind us, a helm master joystick and a bow thruster for easy docking, a Seakeeper 3 for stabilisation and a generator to keep everything powered whilst you're at anchor. Opposite your oversized rounded windscreen and beneath your sunroof, we've got 4 beautifully crafted leather captain's chairs running side by side, giving all guests a clear line of sight to a huge dual 22-inch Garmin display setup and access to all your controls. Regal are big on their tech, so a few key call-outs showcasing this would be the electronic folding TV, RGBW lighting throughout which completely transforms the boat at night, underwater lights and a thumping Fusion sound system with speakers everywhere. To gain access to the bow, you've got a beautiful wide port walk-through, and over on the starboard you've got a walk around with steps doubling up as a high dock entry point. Down below you've got a really nice amount of space for a family weekend or a solid boys day out. There's a convertible Queen V berth which doubles up as a lounge during the day. You've got a microwave oven for reheating food, and over to starboard there's a full head height bathroom with shower, sink and a toilet. Behind me there's a convertible mid-cabin which turns from a lounge and storage into a secondary queen bed. Overall the head height could be a little bit better, but for a boat of this category it's still really impressive, and the reality is the action is all happening upstairs. Out on the bow you've got a really versatile space. You can use this as an additional zone to fish from, utilise it as a wraparound dining area with the table insert, or simply slot in your extra cushions and it completely transforms into a sun pad. If sunbaking isn't your thing and you'd like a bit of protection, simply throw up your sunshade which provides complete protection for this space. Folks, there you have it. True to her name, the 38 SAV or sports activity vessel is the perfect all-rounder. Come and inspect it today. Get in touch.